Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating the map on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your map is not up to date, then there may be new road layouts such as roundabouts or even new roads that are not on the map. So keeping your map up to date is a good idea. Follow the steps to learn how to update the map on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Info in the bottom left of the infotainment screen. Then choose System Information from the options. Tap Map Update. Then choose Update via USB device or Update via Wi-Fi, depending on your preference. Now tap Yes to download the full map. Or you can tap Select Area to only update a specific area. Tap to select the area that you would like to download, and then tap OK. Tap Yes to confirm the download. The updated map will then be downloaded. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.